Hi, I'm James Baker, founder of James Baker and Associates and international tax expert slash entrepreneur. And this clip you're about to see is from our last Ask Me Anything. If you want to ask me some questions, I come on live Wednesdays and Thursdays as much as I can. You can join with the link in the description below. I'd love to see you there, but let's get to the clip.
Hi, I don't sell anything. I don't live in the US. Furthermore, I translate books and the US government takes a big chunk off the payments and the clients make. Why? Well, first of all, the government isn't taking the money. Your clients are sending the money to the government. So your clients are taking the money and sending it to the government. Certain types of income and payments, FDAP income specifically, are subject to U.S. taxes. Generally, these are going to be what would potentially be applying is royalty income. And it's a little complicated because royalties are generally when you have, like, for example, if you put a book on Amazon and Amazon sells the book, they pay you a royalty for that. Or if you have music online and you're licensing music, you're getting paid a royalty for it, which is different than translation. It depends how you're registered, and there's different ways to get around this. If you are making a lot of money and you want to really address this and fix this, I can definitely help you in a private consult. What I've done with clients in the past is potentially open a U.S. company, like a corporation or something, where you can then give a W-9 and you wouldn't be subject to the withholding. If you open a multi-member LLC and gave them a W-9, they would probably stop the withholding. So that would also help. And then you can take the position that it's not subject to withholding, and then you don't withhold the taxes. It puts the ball back in your court. I've done that for clients as well. We get that done really quick. And we can also get a lot of the money that was withheld back by filing a personal tax return. And I've done this for clients as well. So unless you're getting royalties, dividends, or rental income, or some other kind of U.S. source income, those are really the most common instances. Or the other instances when you are in the U.S. working as a foreign person, they should withhold taxes too, and that's not generally number one. The first item, compensation for personal services performed in the U.S., but most people aren't doing that. So if you're not any of those, you probably can get the money back, at least a big chunk of it, as this is worded. And then you can also, there's ways to get this to stop. But the real person, the U.S. government isn't taking the money. The person who's paying you is sending the money to the government. It's different. And I say that because in South America and Latin America, when a wire transfer goes out, the government does take the money. In this instance, if I'm withholding taxes from someone, if I pay you 1,000 and you're subject to withholding, I'm going to send you 700, and I'm going to actually send the government the other 300. And it's additional work, and it sucks because it's easier when the bank does it. If I have to do it myself, I have to register for an EFTPS account. I have to file 1042 forms, and it's not fun. It's annoying. So, let's have another call. Send me more details. I can talk to the people who are paying you, and I can enlighten them and help them with the filings, and maybe we can fix it out. Just work on that. That's definitely what I do.